If you want to make your Faceless channel blow up but you're not getting anywhere, you've been working hard on your videos, spending hours on editing, and you're still not getting traction, the views just aren't coming, or maybe you've been paying people on Fiverr to make your automation channel but you're going broke fast and you're still not monetized, it's okay. And to be honest, there's tons of people in the exact same position as you. And that's why in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your channel take off using only free AI tools that will help you gain more subscribers. No matter what niche you decided to focus your channel on, these tools are going to give your channel the boost that you need to get flooded with views. One of the most obvious ways to get more views is by having scroll-stopping thumbnails, something that will make people stop scrolling and click on your video. So to make a great thumbnail, you don't need Photoshop. What you need is a picture that is going to cause an emotional response from people on YouTube. If you make a thumbnail that makes people happy or curious or sad, you have greatly increased your chance of getting views. Now, Canva is a free AI-powered graphic design tool that lets you make thumbnails that will grab the attention of someone scrolling. So go to Canva and make a free account. Start with a template and add some engaging text, and use AI features to enhance the colors and contrast. A creative thumbnail will increase your click-through rate and get more eyes on your content. Plus, with all of Canva's templates, it's great for beginners to make some great designs. But thanks to AI, we don't need to leave it to chance. After you've created your thumbnail, it's time to make sure it's as effective as possible in getting views. And this is where Thumbly comes in. So go to thumbly.com and have some AI bot analyze your thumbnail completely for free. So you just upload your thumbnail and it's going to give you a score from 1 to 10 and offer some advice on how to improve it if your thumbnail scores low. So Thumbly looks at different things like color contrast, the text readability, and just your overall composition of your thumbnail. And if your thumbnail falls short in any of these categories, it's going to provide specific suggestions, such as changing the text size or changing colors or bumping up the contrast. And this instant feedback helps you get your thumbnail more appealing to potential viewers. Plus, it's completely free, so why wouldn't you take advantage of it? Okay, now after making the recommended changes in Canva or any other graphic design tool that you're using, you can then re-upload that updated thumbnail to Thumbly and see how your improvements have affected the score. It's a great way to make sure that your thumbnails are optimized for maximum click-through rates. Now let's move on to optimizing your video content. You can use the power of AI to analyze your video's transcript and generate relevant tags and descriptions. And one great tool for this is vidIQ. So vidIQ's AI features suggest tags, keywords, and even help you spy on your competition. And this will improve your video's chances of being found and bring in more organic traffic. Okay, coming up with click-worthy titles is crucial, but it's not so easy on your own. That's why you got to use vidIQ's new AI content generator, because it is clutch. All you need to do is give it a topic. All you need to do is give it a topic, and it will give you a title, description, keywords, tags, the entire script, and even a voiceover. Everything that it gives you is click-worthy. It's optimized for search, so take advantage of it. And also, to increase your watch time, you can use AI-generated captions and subtitles, because there's some weird psychological thing where no matter what, if there's captions on the screen, I'm going to find myself reading them. So go on over to CapCut, because they have a free AI-powered tool for creating captions. All you got to do is upload your video, and it's going to generate accurate captions for you automatically using its AI tool. So this is going to keep viewers watching longer, and it's going to improve your video's ranking because your watch time will increase. Now let's talk about promoting your videos. AI-driven social media schedulers like Buffer can help you automate your promotional efforts. So Buffer is going to let you schedule posts across various social media platforms. Just share your video on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at the optimal times to reach a broader audience. And last but not least, it's essential to track your channel's performance. So you can use some AI tools like Social Blade that can help you track your growth and understand your audience better. Social Blade provides detailed insights into your channel's statistics, including your subscriber growth and your engagement metrics. So just go ahead and use this information in order to tailor your content to your audience's preferences. That's it for now, guys. You just use these free AI tools, promote your Faceless YouTube channel effectively, and remember that it's not just about creating great content, but you also have to optimize, you have to promote and engage with your audience. So be smart and take advantage of any free tool that you can. And if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because in the next videos, I will be breaking down every one of these steps to show you exactly, step by step, how I create every aspect of my Faceless channels. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're not going to miss those videos.